Jan Sahlberg. I'm a graduate of Notre Dame High School, San Jose, class of 1944. My mother was a graduate of Notre Dame High School in 1920, and in the second grade they started me with piano lessons. So then Sister Mary Edward was my music teacher. Then we all graduated, 1940, and on we went, about 3 of us, to Notre Dame High School. And then, as I say, World War II came along when we were juniors. I am remembering the sisters in my will because I just got a superior education from them, and I certainly want that for others. I constantly refer back to things that were taught to me all my life. So I would like to encourage my friends and former classmates to remember the Sisters of Notre Dame in their wills. I feel that it's a thank you to our wonderful sisters who taught us in grammar school and high school and prepared us for the future so beautifully and with such love. And so I would like to do everything I can to make their years that they have left to be comfortable and productive. And this is my tribute to our wonderful sisters of Notre Dame.